Hi everyone, my name is Danilo Romolini and today I'll be showing you this beautiful convent for sale in Umbria. The location is stunning. We're on top of a hill, 360-degree view, but at the same time we're really close to the town of Todi. This is the main terrace with private garden, private church. From the cloister you can access to 4 apartments with independent access, and there is obviously the main building for the owner. This right here is the main cloister. This is where the monks could walk through when it was raining, and all the water would go right here in the main cistern. This place is stunning. It's full of beautiful details dating back to the 11th century. Look there, it's 12 o'clock. This right here is the main villa. On this floor you can find all the living area, so kitchen, living rooms with the terrace, whereas upstairs you'll find all the bedrooms. Come in. This is the living area, and from here you can access directly to the terrace. Here you can find a beautiful little garden with the stunning Umbria views right behind. And this is the dining room. Beautiful kitchen, all restored, built in. Down there is the cloister, and here there is the terrace. This is the private garden of the main villa. Right here you can find a built-in kitchen, a private swimming pool, and an area where you can relax. Let's have a look at the guest apartments. So here you can find 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. A living area with private kitchen. This apartment has its own access to the garden back here. This property has its own private church. It is fully restored. It's a multi-purpose room, even though it's a consecrated church. You can literally make a cinema here or anything. That would be cool, actually. can either be turned in a boutique hotel or used as a private residence for a family. It is currently listed at 2.5 million, a great price for these private locations up on a hill.